John, and today we're going to be doing the Brickell kit review. This is the kit right here. Gonna break it down, show you everything that's inside. So here we are with the Brickell kit. This is what you get when you order it. Like this. This is how it looks when you get it. You get a quick start guide, and they give you all the routines. Step 1 through 5, AM and PM. For your daily skin care routine, anti-age routine, and shave routine. If you want, take a freeze frame of that. And on the left, they give you a description of each product. There you go. Take a freeze frame of that. So when you get the kit, this is what it looks like. This is what you get. You get a balancing toner. You get an eye balm. You get shaving cream. You get anti-aging cream. You get night serum. You get hair conditioner. Well, revitalizing hair conditioner. You get a purifying charcoal face mask, reviving day serum, and a reviving face scrub. In the little bottles, you get a shampoo, another charcoal face wash, aftershave, face moisturizer, face wash, and you get an all-in-one hair, body, and face wash right here. I'm going to take it all out of the box. Notice on the top, it says lift here for more samples. Which really should just say lift here for additional sample, because there is only this that came out, which is another daily face moisturizer. It's a packet. With the Brickell kit, they don't describe to you the scent of the product before you open it. So when I opened this aftershave and I used it, a very strong peppermint, and it smelled delicious, and I can tell you that it is a very good, soothing, cooling aftershave. Each one of their products are perfectly sealed, so there's no spillage. Like I said, this is the only one I used out of the entire kit, because I didn't know which one I didn't know where to start. I can't really moisturize because my skin is not the type that reacts well to moisturizers, because I end up breaking out. I have opened up the full wash here, and I can tell you that the smell is amazing. It is a spicy citrus. It's just unique. You would have to get it and smell it yourself so you can understand what I mean by a spicy citrus. I mean, it says it right there, and really, really, really good. Really good. So this is it. This is what you get in the kit. Like I said, I haven't really experimented with the kit that much yet. Just really displaying all the contents, and the quick guide lets you know how to use everything. Let's bring it back on top, and I'll give my final thoughts and rating. So we're back on top with the Brickell sample kit. When I first sent for it, I was expecting more shaving product, because primarily for beards and shaving products. I did not expect a full product line. I mean, this is a full product line. Everything from anti-aging cream to body wash. So when I got this, I was very surprised and very happy. So I can try all these different routines. I mean, I have a whole plethora of routines to go through. I'm not that obsessed with my skin per se, because I know my skin, as long as I don't use like Dove body wash or some crazy moisturizing soap, I'm usually good. I won't have breakouts. I don't have any pimples or anything like that. So I know how to wash my skin for my skin type. I will definitely stand behind the aftershave. Awesome aftershave. From the few products that I opened and smelled, the kit definitely feels a little high-endish. So as far as their product prices are, let's say I wanted to get the full size aftershave. I got the trial size here. I love that. Very impressive. For the full size bottle, it's 13 bucks. Not bad at all, especially with the $10 coupon they give you in the kit. So, which $3 plus shipping and handling will get you the full size bottle. Very good. When you start combining products, let's say you want to get the shaving cream and the aftershave, that's going to be $6 plus shipping and handling. I have the shaving cream right here. Let's open it up, see what it smells like. Again, all their products fully sealed. Nothing has been tampered with, so you can just get a fresh opening. Okay. This shaving cream is really thick. It's got the same scent. Nice and very nice. Very good shaving cream. I'm going to have to give this one a proper test when I go over shaving creams in general, because right now I only use one type of shaving cream. With the aftershave and shaving cream combo running 46 bucks, definitely have to give this one a full-on review when I review shaving cream and aftershave products. Right now, I use one type of shaving cream, and for aftershave, Old Spice. Been using Old Spice since I was a teenager. So, I would love to branch out and try new aftershaves. If I'm going to give the kit a rating as a whole, as a sample kit, offering 17 items, plus that $10 code, I have no choice. I have to give this one a 9. God, there is no negatives of this kit. The only thing I can take a fraction of a point off, I would, you know what, if I'm going to rate this kit a rating, I would have to give it a 9.9. It is near perfect. The only thing that I have a gripe with, and it's only personally to me, is that some of the items have ingredients that are not listed on the containers. Like the aftershave, it lists it with aloe vera, vitamin E, and coconut oil. But when you open and you smell this, there is definitely a strong presence of peppermint oil, which is perfectly fine. I love the scent of peppermint, and it was a nice surprise, a good touch. So it's not really a negative thing. I would just like to know what the items smell like before I open them. That has been the Brickell kit review. Be sure to subscribe, come back for more reviews, and I will catch you on the next one. Later.